Hi, my name's Claire. I'm New Product Development Manager at Lil Packaging, and I've got 5 tips for successful packaging designs. Number 1, try to keep it simple. Don't over-design. You have to think about the end user, and they will want to get into your packaging. You could have a really clever design with lots of flaps and foldovers and fittings, but if a customer is struggling to get into that packaging, to get the product they've ordered, that's going to be quite frustrating. There's also timings involved on the packing lines. They can't spend hours trying to figure out how to put a box together before they put the product in. So that needs to be quick. So yeah, number 1, keep it simple. And number 2, eye-catching graphics. Graphics are a really important way of getting over your brand design. So when the customer opens a box, they'll get a great unboxing experience and the brand will be revealed to them at that point. Yeah, some customers like to use more colour with the graphics, do more eye-catching, and some just like to keep it simple, one colour, and that can often look quite nice on a craft material, on a brown material with maybe just a white or one colour graphic. Can often look really eye-catching, and it's also evoking sort of the eco-friendly feel of the board as well, to see the brown board rather than flooding it with a colour. Tip number 3, getting the right material, getting the right corrugated material. No point using a 1.5mm, say, E-flute material for something which really needs a lot of cushioning, a lot of protection. Yeah. We tend to use a material called R-flute, which is roughly 2.3mm thick. So that gives us a nice level of protection for the product, a sturdy corrugated, and also a nice medium to print on top of. Tip number 4, try to design to evoke trust in your customer. And if a customer receives a battered box that's come through the post for a courier, they're probably unlikely to trust the brand. So a customer receiving a perfect package is going to evoke trust in that brand. Getting the correct material, strong enough for the job, a clever design that can be opened easily, and the graphics, using your graphics. Tip 5, sample your packaging. Your end user, your customer, needs to know that the product is safe within the packaging, that their product fits, and it's always important for your customer to check the product fits within the packaging and that it's fit for use for them.